Today we are working in beautiful city of Garden Grove. I used to live on this street. Our project for today is to replace gas furnace. This is the old furnace, and old furnace was located in the closet. New furnace is ultra low NOx furnace from Allied Air, is going into the attic, and we are also adding X series whisper quiet multiple speeds air conditioner unit. So our attic access is here. We'll have to enlarge it, and we'll have to cut in new air intake somewhere in the hallway, and we will install all new ductwork because old ductwork was asbestos. It's been removed yesterday, and also old flue pipe was asbestos. It's also been removed. So we are in the attic. As you can see, this is where new furnace is gonna go. We're gonna put plywood under new furnace. This is where the old furnace was in a closet. We'll have to run new gas line, actually extend existing gas line. Also, we are enlarging attic access. We're gonna make it 22 by 30, and our return opening is gonna go there. It's gonna be 25 by 20. Our new outdoor unit is in place. We did run refrigerant line set into the attic. We got new service disconnect box with a surge protector. It's a 3 tons unit, 19 SEER. It's a multiple speed unit, so it has low stage and high stage. As far as electrical, we did add new breaker, 30 amp, and new line to 20 inside the conduit we ran under the house. As you can see, we added new air intake, and there's going to be new attic access panel. We already enlarged opening and frame around. We enlarged supply vent on the kitchen. It's a bar type, high efficiency register. So this is our work in progress. New coil, new furnace. We already done electrical and extended gas line from the bottom. Light switch, new attic light. This is the furnace. This is the new coil with the drain pan. Furnace is in rubber pads. New air intake, it's 18-inch. For the 3 ton, it's more than enough. So we did cut in new attic entrance, and we did frame around it and installed new attic access door. We also made new return opening, 20 by 25 with large 18-inch return duct. This is our new furnace and new evaporative coil. We did put some plywood to access later the furnace to do service. Also, we replaced ductwork. Where duct goes into the flow box, we have metal elbows everywhere, so ductwork will not collapse over there later, 20 years after. And every single duct run has a manual damper. This is a lever, so we can control airflow in every single vent in this house. That's one, that's another one. So if our duct splits on a TY, we have those dampers inside the TY. If we have duct going directly to the coil, we have those dampers right here by the coil. And usually when we do ducting, we use larger size ducting, so we never have issues with the airflow. So we almost never have to adjust those dampers in a single story house. This is our new furnace. We relocated it from the closet. New furnace stands, metal. We put some sheet metal under the burners. We put rubber pads, new evaporative coil, secondary drain pan, SS2 water sensor, in case if drain line gets clogged or in case if coil gets damaged. Also the condensate pump that takes the water, drains the water down into washer drain, and the pump is wired as well, so if pump fails, it's going to stop your AC unit from running. We have double wall vent pipe going outside. In the attic you can only use double wall vent pipe. Sediment trap on a gas line, new flexible gas connector, gas shutoff valve, and a sediment trap. It's code these days. And of course new attic light and a 120 volt outlet for the pump and a furnace. Ductwork is supported by the coil to make sure to get the weight out of the coil. Pretty much that's it. And again, this furnace is manufactured by Allied Air, a Lennox international company. This is our new thermostat. Right now is running in cool mode. It's a Wi-Fi Nest thermostat because it can support 2-stage cooling, and this system will run as a 2-stage AC unit. We'll have low speed and high speed. This is our new attic access door, unpainted, And this is our new air intake, return intake, and you can use different filters in these grills. So with this syringe filter, noise level is around 51 decibels, but this one is upgraded filter. It looks like that. So this filter should be much quieter, and it's a huge upgrade. And it's a MERV 13 filter. It's a huge upgrade over the standard 1-inch filter, which is usually MERV 8. So let's put this MERV 8 filter back, and you can see that the noise level is way higher with this 1-inch filter. We have around 59 decibels. It's a huge difference. And also we get a lot less airflow with 1-inch filter. So whoever have same type return grills, you can use these filters that's made to be direct retrofit. There is no whistling when we use these filters. So much quieter. And again, this is our new outdoor unit, finished project. You can hear it's whisper quiet. Right now it's running a high stage. We are reading 54 decibels only because we have birds chirping in the background. These units are whisper quiet, multiple speed, high efficiency, is because it's amazing inverter technology, which is computer inside this unit, and you'd want to make sure that you use surge protector. If you have any voltage spike, it's going to be expensive repair. And this unit is usually 8 inches from the wall at least, so plus the unit width, it's approximately 24 inches of the wall.